Alrighty, it is ice cream time. If you don't know ice cream, it's like $22 plus shipping, so it ends up around $30. I mean, well, they probably raise it while shipping's going up. And it's almost always all makeup, and you always get a full-size eyeshadow palette every time. Okay, here's November. Let's see. That is the 45, 25, 36, 25, and 21. So definitely, if you add all that up, that's well over $100 worth of value. Okay, what is this thing? Looks like a bullet. Move this out of the way, put this over here. I don't know. Come Through Flawless Makeup Set, SPF 15. Well, that's kind of dangerous because everybody has a different skin coloring, so I'm not sure this is gonna fit my coloring. I figured out how to open this thing up. Huh. I don't know. There we go. Not exactly sure what this is. Oh, it's some kind of spray. Maybe it's a setting spray. It's pretty bottle. But I guess it's a setting spray. I'll see what they say. It is a setting spray. Okay. And they say the value is $25. So that's almost the value of the whole thing. Okay, here's a, oh, this is cool. I think it's a lip gloss or something, but it looks like a carrot. Ultimate Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss, $21. Is there something holding it shut? Must be some paper around it or something because I can't get it off. There you go. Well, I'm getting it started anyway. I swear I should go through these things ahead of time, but I want to be surprised with you, but a lot of times it takes forever to get the darn things open, and I know you don't particularly want to watch me struggle for 10 minutes. Let's try this, see if this helps. Nope, not at all. There we go, that's starting to come. Ugh. I'm not sure I would wear this color, so I may give this away. I'm not much of an orange kind of coral kind of girl, but it's really pretty. It is a lip gloss, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway. Alrighty. Next we have a brush, a pretty brush, soft. Very nice brush. You never can have too many brushes. I need to wash mine, but I've got so many, it just takes me a while before I actually have to break down and wash them because they get dirty. I just use another one. Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush. $36 for this brush. Yeah, it's a nice brush, but I don't think it's worth $36. Okay, what else we got in here? Lash Step Matte About You. 12 universal matte shades that are perfect every day or night. Okay, that's the palette, so I don't want to do that till the end. But why is it Lash Step? Huh. This is Beached Blush. So it is a blush of some type. I hate it when I break the packaging because sometimes I want to give it away, and I don't like giving people stuff in ripped packaging, but sometimes it's unavoidable. So this is a pretty little container, like goldish. Well, that's a nice color. It's sort of a orangey rosy color. Probably I'll give it away because I've got a yellow tint to my skin. It's got a mirror on it too, so it's really nice. A little compact, but I've got a rosy, not a rosy, but a yellow tint to my skin, so when I put on orangish kind of stuff, it just makes it look more yellow. So I usually put on more of a pink family blush. So this is $25. And last but not least is this eyeshadow palette. Kind of in a weird, and why is it called Lash Step if it's an eyeshadow? I don't understand. Makes no sense to me. It's almost like a leather, like a white leather feel to the case. What did I do with the, here it is. Lash Step Matte, M-A-T-T-E, About You palette. I like matte, so I should like this. It's all nice fall colors. I like those. Probably keep this one. Okay, so we have the whole face practically. We've got the eyeshadow, the blush, the brush for the blush, and lip gloss. It's all kind of in a color family I don't wear. This and the blush are both in that kind of orangey color family, so I don't wear either one of those. And then this setting spray. I never use setting spray, but maybe I'll keep this and try it. And you know, it's just one step I don't take. Maybe I should try it and see how it works. So what do you think? I think that's well worth the $30. And it gives me some stuff to give away to y'all. Stuff I don't think I'll keep, like the lip gloss and the blush. And maybe the brush. I don't know. But some of it I'll put in a giveaway a bit soon. So got some giveaways coming up. One of them is just finished, I think. By the time I put this video up, I'll have done the giveaway for it because it's tomorrow and I probably won't put this up till after Thanksgiving. So, so you'll have just missed that giveaway, but I've got a couple more coming up in December. I think at least one more coming up. I don't know if it's two more or one more. I think just one more. And then I'm gonna kind of quit doing giveaways till after the first of the year because, you know, Christmas expenses, and especially this year because I had to start all over with, you know, you've been watching my videos. I've been buying a lot of decorations because ornaments, stuff like that, because I got nothing. After I lived with the kids so long, I got rid of everything. So, if you haven't, go back and watch my fashion video and tell me what the heck's going on with fashion. I don't know. I got a box thinking it was going to be regular like Stitch Fix where you try the stuff on, pay for what you want to keep, send the rest back. But I got this box where they charged me $95 and I have to keep it all. So I stumbled into something by mistake, or that's how they're doing things now. Because I haven't done fashion in a long time, so I don't know if that's how they've changed the way they're doing things, or I just stumbled into the wrong place somehow. Alrighty, well, that's my ice cream box for this month. Hope you liked it. What'd you think? I don't know what else I have coming up. You know, with the holidays, it's going to be a little sparser because I'm not going to be spending as much money, so I'm not going to have as many hauls and things other than maybe Christmas present hauls, but don't really want to do hauls on videos on those because then somebody could see what they're getting. Although my family doesn't really watch my YouTube channel, so I could show what I'm getting and they wouldn't know the difference because they don't watch my YouTube channel. Alrighty, I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy a few more little ornaments for my tree I started on. I know, it's not after Thanksgiving yet. Well, to you it is because I'm gonna put this up on the Friday, but for me, it's the day before Thanksgiving. But I'm doing my tree anyway. I know, I'm breaking the law, my own law. Alrighty, love you all. If you haven't subscribed, love to have you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.